Now here we see the vibration of the string after it settles down. And we pretty much again just have the back and forth, back and forth, back and forth motion, although there's a little of this going on. So you can actually see two different types of motions superimposed on one another. Well, I'm going to try to stretch this just a little more. We don't want to exceed the elastic limits of the rubber band, and I think we're right at about those limits. Now we have 13 centimeters of stretch on the rubber band. We're going to 1, 2, 3. Okay, could we observe the time it took for that pulse? And can we also see how the pulse keeps traveling back and forth? And get some idea of how long that pulse takes. And also see how the fundamental just back and forth mode of vibration begins to assert itself. Now I'm going to try to set up a good fundamental mode of vibration by plucking this string in the middle. I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are 12 weights, so I'm going to pluck in the middle. I'm just going to take the meter stick. And we already see that we've kind of got a back and forth right here in the middle. And it's fairly easy to see that fundamental mode of vibration asserting itself. But I'm going to reinforce that by giving it this. And that fundamental mode of vibration should more or less take over. Now I can come over to a quarter the distance, which would be right along in here, and I'm going to give it a contrary pulse. And we can perhaps see how a couple different modes of vibration superimpose themselves. But the fundamental again emerges. If I randomly hit the string, everything seems pretty chaotic, but before too long the regular modes of vibration appear once again. It seems that there's not much that I can do to this string that's going to cause it to oscillate in any really irregular way for more than just a few cycles. The really irregular vibrations go away fairly quickly, while the natural modes of vibration take over.